Hey y'all, well I'm with my buddy here that I go to work with. We're over here at Central Park, and he said he can outfish me. And he is on 0 and I got 13. I just caught one just now. 13 brim. And he said he can.
He's lying.
No, I'm not. He said you can beat a redneck out. And I doubt that. Bad. But yeah, we're just brim fishing here. And I just caught me one. Hang on, I gotta set it down. Ooh, that's a big one.
Holy shit, that's over 7. That's like.
Ooh, look at there, y'all.
That's like 9 or 8.
Okay, I'm gonna go check this one out. Come on. Come on. Come on. Yeah, that's right, I'm talking to you. Come on. We're gonna check out him. Look at there. He said he can outfish me. I doubt it. Here he comes. He's gonna come at Zerd.
It's just an off day, man.
It ain't no off day. You can't fish like me. And he swallowed it too.
Did he really?
Yeah, he swallowed it.
Big old brim. That was a big brim.
He's old too.
Look at that.
Look at him, he's dark. Let's see here. Stick it in your mouth there.
Swear if that beats.
Hold that right there at his mouth. Right at his mouth. 8. We got an 8, so I beat him out. Last time we was here, he caught a 7-inch fish. This is 8. This is 8-inch brim. Beat you out, son.
Hey,
and I caught 13, and he caught none. So I'll let y'all know if I catch another one, or if he catches any. So yeah, loser thinks he can beat out a redneck. Subscribe, like, comment my videos, and I'll show you more videos.